How many of us in this room have experienced abdominal pain or diarrhea at some point in our lives? It happens to all of us, but luckily not very often. For some of us, it's common and happens every day. This condition can be caused by the immune system attacking the lining of your colon. It's called colitis, and in this country, there are more than 1 million people affected by this. For some of them, the symptoms can be really severe. Imagine having 30 to 40 bowel movements a day, usually with vomiting, but always with severe abdominal pain. If you have this, how can you hold down a job? How can you maintain a social life? This is the daily reality for many people suffering from colitis, and there is no cure for them. There are some medicines, but they are either ineffective or cannot be given long term. For severe cases, the only option for relief is the surgical removal of the entire colon. And worst of all, colitis triggers a much higher risk of colon cancer. And the kind of tumors that grow due to colitis are aggressive. Only half of patients who get this cancer can survive. We have been helpless to prevent cancer forming in people suffering from colitis because we don't know how colitis causes cancer. My research aims to change that. My research aims to learn how colitis causes cancer, so that even if we cannot cure colitis, we can at least stop these patients from getting colon cancer. My lab and others have recently found a special kind of immune cells in the colon of people suffering from colitis. These immune cells are called IMC, which stands for immature myeloid cells, but let's name it IMC for I make cancer. These IMCs are usually only found in cancer. So we are excited because we think these cells are producing chemicals which could be forcing the normal cells in the colon to become cancerous. To test this, I used mice which had colitis and others with colon cancer. I removed the IMCs from both of these mice. Then I isolated the colon from normal mice and I took out normal colon cells and treated them in a petri dish with these IMCs. Surprisingly, I could see changes in the DNA of the normal colon cells, which drove them to be cancer cells. So now we are trying to understand how these IMCs are causing cancer, and we are working as well to find a way to stop them. And if we succeed, we might not yet be able to cure colitis, that's true, but we can protect people with colitis from getting colon cancer. Thank you.